Hi guys, welcome to the Trick Hottie channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to recover lost or deleted phone contacts. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Here's how: sign in to Google. Click your Google account profile. After that, click Manage your Google account. Then, scroll down and click People and Sharing. Then, click Contacts. If you previously saved your contacts to your Google account, they'll be neatly stored here, even if the contacts on your phone are deleted or lost. To recover your contacts, here's how: click the settings icon, then select Undo Changes. Then, you'll be asked to select how many days ago your contacts were lost. Choose the appropriate period for the loss of your contacts. Then, click Undo. There's a contact recovery process here. It can be quick or slow, depending on the number of your contacts. That's how to recover lost contacts. Good luck! Thank you, and bye-bye.